how do we become great leaders? We are going to get a chance to see what you are made of. There are 3 different skill sets that make leaders great. The first thing that we're going to focus on for you to be a great leader is we're going to focus on communication. Communication is body language, communication is tone, communication is smiling. What does leadership mean to you? All of us had good things to say about leadership, but what does bad leadership look like? The next part is conduct. Conduct. Now, conduct is just a fancy way of saying how you act. As a leader, all we're testing to see is you trying your best, not only in the small things, but it's the small things that make way for the bigger responsibilities as leaders. Character, come on, yeah, character. There are so many aspects of who you are as a person, but the way you think impacts how you view the world and how your perspectives are going to be as a leader. You have other people that you can now lean on, that you can trust in, because they're also trying to be great leaders as well.
Your students are in great hands. They're going to make sure that all of your students are going to be successful and not only graduate, but pursue their dreams.
If you're excited for an even greater summer, give me 2 claps.